Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use shortcuts for instant replies on WhatsApp Business. So when you go to the WhatsApp Business application, below you click on the last icon that says Settings. Here you click on Quick Replies, which is the third option under the messaging tools, and then you click on the plus icon above. You write your shortcut, let's say you just want to say hey, and then you enter your message. Hello, new customer. Thank you for your message. You click on save, which is at the top right, or you can also attach media to your message if you wish to. And then you click on save at the top right. Then when you wish to send someone an instant reply, you come to your keyboard and then you press the /, and then you just click on it, or you press the / and then you write hey. Then you click on it and then you send your message. That's how to send instant replies using shortcuts on WhatsApp Business. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.